God is power. Within my serenity belongs to God. Thank you, God. My serenity is within your power. I speak my serenity within and to God. In God's power, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I walk in God's courage. I know God's wisdom sustains me within me and through me. I am powerful. My serenity belongs to God. I believe in God within my serenity. I praise your name. I surrender within God's grace and mercy, within my serenity, within God's mighty name. My power is within you, God, within my serenity. I surrender in serenity within and through the power of God.